If you drive a lifted or even stock height vehicle, there's no denying that adding side steps is a great way to make getting in or out of your vehicle easier. But with so many different side steps out there on the market, how do you know which ones are going to meet your needs? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at Go Rhino's Dominator D1 side steps. We'll talk about their features and benefits, installation difficulty, and price to determine who these steps are and are not for. I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck. For over 35 years, we've helped our customers get the right gear for their vehicles. Our team has sold and installed thousands of running boards and steps. So here's what you need to know about the Dominator D1 steps from Go Rhino. The Dominator D1 steps are part of Go Rhino's Dominator Extreme series, a modular step design that pairs boards with vehicle-specific brackets for seamless compatibility. Unlike a hoop step or Nerf bar with no drop, the full-length drop on this board makes finding your step easy even on lifted vehicles. This can be particularly beneficial for kids or anyone who may struggle with having a higher step to get into the truck. It also allows you more working area while loading things onto your roof or just washing your rig. Notice the hex punched hole pattern in the step. This provides superior grip and reduces the risk of slipping, even in wet conditions. Another feature of this step is the D-channel design. This design is sturdy enough to protect your rocker panel from most road debris, and with the full-length drop step, it offers better accommodation for lifted trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs. Speaking of trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs, the Dominator D1 is available for a wide range of vehicles. But how easy is it to install? Well, the Dominator D1 uses OEM step and rock rail mount locations, making it a no-drill install. It'll probably take about 1 to 2 hours depending on your experience level. It's made in North America and comes with a 5-year limited warranty. So who isn't this set up for? Well, if you're looking for the cheapest Nerf bar or hoop steps possible, this isn't for you. If you're looking for the most expensive step possible, this also isn't for you. If you're looking for a rock slider to go crawling with, well, we wouldn't really recommend this step. While it may perform just fine, it's really designed to be a step that offers some protection, but not a full-fledged rock slider. If you're looking for a full-length drop step that offers no-drill installation, rocker panel protection, and accommodates most lifts, the Dominator D1 might just be for you. If you have questions about the Dominator D1 or any other steps from Go Rhino, reach out to us using the information on the screen or leave us a comment down below. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Titan Truck or on Instagram at Titan Truck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.